Good morning students. Today in this class we discuss about intensity of electric field. Let us consider a charge. It may be either positive charge or negative charge. This charge creates some electric field around it like this. If a unit positive charge, that is represented by plus Q naught. If a unit positive charge is placed at any point in this electric field, then that unit positive charge experiences repulsive force because these two are same charges. If the unit positive charge is placed at any point in this electric field, then that unit positive charge experiences attractive force because these two are opposite charges. That means if the unit positive charge is placed at any point in the electric field, it experiences some force. That force is called intensity of electric field. So, the force experienced by the unit positive charge placed at any point in the electric field is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. This intensity of electric field is represented by E. E is equal to formula F by Q naught. The force experienced by the unit positive charge at any point in the electric field is called intensity of electric field. E is equal to F by Q naught. Now we write SI unit. SI unit is, from formula only we write the unit. So from this formula the unit is, for force the unit is Newton per, for charge the unit is coulomb. So SI unit of intensity of electric field is Newton per coulomb. Okay, there is another formula for intensity of electric field, that is E is equal to V by D, where V is potential, D is distance. So from that formula we can write the unit as, for potential the unit is volt, for distance the unit is meter, volt per meter. So the SI unit of intensity of electric field is Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. Actually, this intensity of electric field is vector quantity. That's why we write the equation like this. E bar is equal to F bar by Q naught. It is vector quantity. Vector means it consists of some direction. So the direction of electric field. So intensity of electric field is simply called as electric field. The direction of electric field is radially outward from positive charge. Why? Because this unit positive charge is repelled by this electric field. That's why the direction of electric field is radially outward from positive charge. But the direction of electric field is radially inward, radially toward from negative charge. Because when this unit positive charge is placed in this electric field, that unit positive charge is attracted by this electric field, by this charge. That's why the direction of electric field is radially toward from negative charge, but it is radially outward from positive charge. This is about intensity of electric field. Now we derive the formula, we derive the equation for this intensity of electric field. Let a point charge Q is placed at the point O. This is the point O, and we place a point charge Q at that point. Let a point charge Q is placed at O. Around this charge, some electric field is produced, like this. Now we place a unit positive charge at a distance smaller from the point O in this electric field. Let a unit positive charge Q0 is placed at a distance smaller from the point O. Then from Coulomb's law, the force acting between the two charges is, now we write the force acting between these two charges from Coulomb's law. From Coulomb's law, the force acting between them. What is that force? F is equal to, these two are in air or in vacuum. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into product of magnitudes of the two charges, that is Q into Q0, by square of the distance between them. So that is R square. So this is the force acting between those two charges from Coulomb's law. Now we take this Q0, unit positive charge, to left side. Then we get F by Q0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. But what is F by Q0? The force experienced by the unit positive charge. That is called intensity of electric field. That is represented by E. But F by Q0 is equal to E. Therefore, E is equal to, we get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. So this is the expression, this is the formula for intensity of electric field. That is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square.